Tonight, the Zuma era came to an end.
I have therefore come to the decision to resign as President of the Republic with immediate effect.
To ask me, because I never dodged, I want that issue to be cleared. I've never dodged questions in this parliament. Each time when I come here, I am abused. There is talk about talks and people are talking all the time about Zuma. So what's the problem? My laughing is not hurtful, it's healthy. Thank you very much for that.
Serious, I don't need Zuma to be a president. I just want Zuma to fall down, actually.